In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use your Logitech G29 on city car driving. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using the Logitech G29 on city car driving is extremely simple. You will be able to connect it to your PC and natively use it inside of the game. So all that you have to do is connect it to any platform where you are playing city car driving, usually on PC, and inside of the game itself, you will be able to configure it. So connect the G29 to your PC. You will be able to do this by plugging the USB cable originating from the base into any available USB port on your PC, either on the back, on your motherboard, or on your case. So once the G29 base is properly connected into any of the available ports, you will be able to use it. You can connect the pedals and shifter as well, and then once you launch city car driving, you will be able to navigate through the options and set up a steering wheel. So as long as your steering wheel is properly connected, you will be able to use it natively. You can change some settings or just start driving right away. It is extremely intuitive to set it up and you will be able to use it. Now, if it doesn't work right away, I'm going to give you some troubleshooting steps that you can take. First of all, you can try restarting both the game and your PC and see if that works. Next, swap the USB port that you are using. So remove it from the original port that you connected the G29 to and plug it into a different one. If it still doesn't work, then what I recommend is that you download the G-Hub software. Inside of the G-Hub software, not only will you be able to set up the Logitech G29 and change a lot of settings like sensitivity, force feedback, and so on, but you will be able to check for updates. It is very important that you are always running the latest firmware available, plus you install any necessary updates related to the drivers. By downloading the latest firmware available, you will ensure that all of the features work and you will be able to use it inside of any game with no issues. So once you download the G-Hub software and you go through the process of updating it, you can go back inside of the game itself and try using it again. Now it should work natively. I hope I was able to help you on how to use the Logitech G29 on city car driving. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.